Today, let's learn the difference between good debt and bad debt. Many people think all debt is bad, but that's not true. Some debt helps you make more money. Some debt only takes money from you. Let's see the difference. What is good debt? Good debt is money you borrow to help you earn more money or improve your future. Example 1. Laptop. Tom borrows $1,000 to buy a laptop. He learns video editing and starts freelancing. He earns $600 every month. After a few months, he pays back the loan. Now the laptop keeps making money for him. This is good debt. Example 2. Education. Sarah borrows money to take an English course. After the course, she gets a better job. Her salary increases. The course helps her earn more money. This is good debt. Example 3. Small business. David borrows money to buy a coffee machine. He opens a small coffee shop. Customers come every day. His business makes a profit. This is good debt. What is bad debt? Bad debt is money you borrow to buy things that do not make you money. Example 1. New phone. John buys the newest smartphone with a loan. He only watches YouTube, TikTok, and plays games. The phone does not make money, but he still has to pay every month. This is bad debt. Example 2. Luxury watch. Lisa buys an expensive watch with a credit card. The watch looks nice, but it does not increase her income. She pays interest every month. This is bad debt. Example 3. Vacation. Mike borrows money for a luxury vacation. The trip is fun, but after the vacation, he still has debt. The memories are good, but the loan remains. This is bad debt. Before you borrow money, ask yourself, will this help me make more money in the future? If the answer is yes, it may be good debt. If the answer is no, it is probably bad debt. Good debt you can invest in education, business, skills, tools for work, investment. Bad debt, luxury items, expensive phones, fashion, vacations, entertainment. Remember, good debt helps you grow. Bad debt makes you poor. Borrow money to build your life. Thank you.